King is induction heat treatment equipment. SP12 kW small heating equipment is made up of semiconductor, high-frequency output transformer, molding, and water cooling device. IGBT MOSFET oscillating is used, which features a smaller size, lighter weight, and easy operation. The equipment is good for low power quenching and annealing welding. SP30 kW has a big power output, but is small in size, lightweight, and very easy to operate. It reduces investment costs remarkably. SP30 kW for golf club head heating. SP30 kW for gear heating. SP12 kW for woodworking tool welding.